Morning, students. Today we are going to read lesson number 5. We all know there are 8 planets, and we live in which planet? Yes, planet Earth. So this chapter is about how a another planet man comes to it. We don't know whether it came on a UFO or a spaceship. Number 41. Rahul was in his bed at 10 pm. It was night. He was not feeling sleepy, so he took out a storybook to read. Every day he read a book before going to sleep. Soon his eyes were heavy and he was feeling sleepy. At 10:30 pm, Rahul was fast asleep. He slept. His book had fallen off the bed and was lying on the floor. When the clock struck 11, so now it was what time? 11. Underline this. There was a gust of wind from the window. Gust means a sudden sound of wind. A green creature jumped in and stood next to Rahul. Its head was big with round eyes that looked like buttons and a tiny nose. Please underline this line. The creature's head was big, eyes was round, and eyes look like buttons. Very small nose. Tiny nose means small nose. Its ears were long and round. It wore a shiny red button on a golden thread around its neck. It looked scary. Scary means when you get frightened, जिससे आपको डर लगता है. But it was friendly. Who was friendly? Yes, the creature. Rahul got up and looked at the creature and started laughing. Why was Rahul laughing? Yes, because this creature was funny. He was amused to see a weird looking creature. Underline the word amused. Amused means when you see something and you are feeling like laughing. Funny. Weird, strange, ajeeb. Next paragraph, children. Soon they were talking to each other. Who was talking? Rahul and creature. It was strange but true that they were chatting. Chatting means to talk. They talked about Rahul's school and his friends. Rahul said, I love painting and I also won a painting competition. The creature said, Come and I will show you my home. You can paint a picture of it. So, where the creature was taking? The creature was taking it to his home. Whom? Rahul. So Rahul, read again. Rahul, where is your house? The creature replied, My home is on a far away. Far away means very away. Planet called Pluto. Come and I will show it to you. They tiptoed to the balcony. Tiptoed means to keep your foot on the toes and walk quietly. When you are hungry and you find a chocolate, you tiptoe to the you tiptoe to the fridge. So, come on to the book. They tiptoed to the balcony and the creature showed the planet to Rahul. It was many miles away, but it twinkled like a blue star. So, children, miles means it is a unit of measurement of distance. Like kilometers you say, so mile is also a unit of measurement. Wow, how beautiful. Can we go there? Said Rahul. Do you really want to go there? I can take you there quickly and bring you back safely, replied the creature. Great, then let's go right away. The creature pressed the red button and before one could blink one eyes, you blink your eyes? Yes, before one could blink one eyes, they both were transported to Pluto. Who lives in the Pluto? Yes, that was the house of the creature. And which planet you are living on? Yes, Earth. Very intelligent student. So come on the reading. A gentle breeze blew. Though there were no houses, trees, or anything you find on earth, it seemed a peaceful place. Everyone on Pluto lived in open, there were no houses. Rahul saw many others like the creature. They all had a red button dangling from their necks. Dangling means hanging on their necks. They did not walk. All they had to do was press the button and they would go to the place they wanted. Oh, amazing children. Just press a button and you reach the place. So you have to walk, but these creatures, they do not have to walk. He was enjoying the view and suddenly there was a strange loud ring. Rahul woke up. Children, underline this word woke. Woke is the past tense of wake. Wake means utna. Woke is the past tense of wake. It was 7 o'clock in the morning. The creature was not around. So the creature had gone. And what was the sound that rang loudly? Yes, Rahul's alarm clock. The creature was not around. Rahul picked up the book from his bedroom floor. Just then, something caught his eye. It was a red button. That was the creature wore. Please underline this word again, wore. Wore is the past tense of wear. I wore my t-shirt. So wore is the past tense. Please come on to this line again. It was the red button that the creature wore around his neck. Rahul was reading a story about creatures with green eyes the night before. But was it a dream or did it actually happen? If it was for real, where did the creature go? He wondered. So children, this story is actually in the end you see that as Rahul was reading about the creatures, a book about the creatures with green eyes, so he is not sure whether it was a dream or it was a real. So we also don't know, it was a fantasy. Whenever you read at night something nice, those things come in your dream. So read nice story books. So this chapter is about the creature, the mysterious night creatures which came into, and Rahul was not sure whether it was a dream or a true. So children, read this chapter 2 times, and what you have to do is you have to read nice story books so that you can have good dreams. Please, when there is a full stop, give a small pause, and when there's a comma, then also wait a little. Very small pause. I will tell you. Rahul was in his bed at 10 p.m. The next line, he was not feeling sleepy. So you have to give a small pause when you are reading. So enjoy reading, have fun, and thank you.